So I just got off of work and I got wiener schnitzel, corn dogs, yo. And fuck, they're cold. Look. You what a nigga get when you get home from work? Look. Look. Bro. Yeah. I don't have a microwave, so you know what? Let me some ghetto ass shit right now. Let me see. Come on, baby. Get it hot. Get it hot. Get it hot. Come on, rotisserie. Come on. Get the fuck out of here, that word. Two things that don't match, bro. Orange juice and a corn dog. See what the fuck else I got for dinner when I get home at fucking 1 o'clock in the morning. I have a cold fucking wiener schnitzel chili cheese dog. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Like, man, that shit cold, honey. That's fucked up. That's what I get. Oh, man. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I never did a review eating cold ass food before. This motherfucker disgusting when it's cold. This motherfucker alright when it's cold. You never try wiener schnitzel. I don't know who I got it.